I'm trading stocks right now. You feel me? You see it? Alright, we back with it. Made some profit today. That's a lovely day. We want to maximize our gains and protect our losses. You dig? Right now we're looking at the option scanner. You see that mark percent change. All that green, you feel me? That's a lot of green. We got a lot of red too. We got a lot of green, we got a lot of red. We have both, whatever you need. You know, whatever your strategy is, we can make that thing flip for you. But yeah, this is the option scanner right here. I created like maybe 10 scanners. Let's see what we have. Personal. We got after hour scanner. We have the gain scanner, low float scanner, low float minimum 20 cent scanner, Momo scanner, near 52 week high scanner, near 52 week high penny scanner. Then I just showed y'all the option scanner, which is this, you dig? We have the penny stock momentum scanner, one of my favorites, you dig? Then we have the pre-market runners. The pre-market runners minimum 25 cent per market scanner. I don't even use that scanner no more. And then we have a lot of gap down, gap up, resistance strong, swing trading. So if you just want to place a trade and watch it for a couple days to a week. And then we got the 5% gainers right there. Man, penny stock. Let me go to the penny stock momentum scanner for you. You did show you what that looked like. Cause you see a whole lot of green, a whole lot of red on the options. You can play both ways and make you some bread. It don't always go up. The market don't always go up. So you see all that green? Penny stocks. Get all that. You gotta catch them. You gotta catch them at the right time. You gotta catch those shares right here. You gotta catch those low shares. You see how low those shares are? 19 million. 19 million. 23 million. You did? That's crazy. That's wild. So you want to look for stuff like that. Let's look at the low float scanner. One of my favorites. Low float scanner. You dig? Low float. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. Right now we're looking at the low float minimum 20 cent scanner. You dig? Let's see what was going on. We're going to scroll up. Daily open was at 15.50. Last was 18.89. The volume's going crazy right now after hours. Of course, we have the red as well. So we can catch those low float reversals. My favorite part of the game, because you have to understand the chart patterns. So what's that? BCTX right there. So BCTX, that thing is down negative 55.49%. Let's check out the chart and see what that thing talking about. Okay, so it looks like it has like a hammer going on the daily. It's been beaten down, you can see. And you see what's about to happen, right? So those green dots giving me a forecast of what's going on based on the scanners I created. That's why I like creating my own scanners. It gives me confirmation. You see that? That's a whole lot of red. But if you go and check out the daily, it's telling you, oh shit, it's about to go up. So I love this. You catch the reversal, you get in, you get out of the wave. It's been beaten down all year. So you zoom out and you just see a whole bunch of beat down unnecessary mess, man. Just beat down, man. It's just been beaten down. It's crazy. Yo, they just came in, bruh. Gonna put these on the SRT8. brand new. You dig? I got all of them. All for $4. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the SRTA. We're gonna slide to the A later on this weekend. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on before we slide. But these, you know what I mean? I had to get some more of these, man, for the project car. That's what we do, man. We make investments over here. You know what I mean? Matter of fact, let's go crank that thing up. We're gonna go crank that thing up, see how that thing booming, you feel me? Probably gonna sound like a cat. It's gonna probably say, meow, meow. That's what it's gonna say when we crank that bitch up in a minute. No cap. Alright, man, let's go ahead and put it in, you dig? SRT8.
Yeah, Sinatra. Official juice member, man. You already know what time it is, man. Let's go. Baby girl, she love me. I know that she's a rider. When I'm not around, she wish I was beside her. That's pretty smart. Out of your dope, I'm the provider. Jump off the porch early, been an outsider. That's pretty smart. Out of your dope, I'm the provider. Jump off the porch early, been an outsider. In the studio, and I'm pulling all nighter. Sacrifice her to the yeah, I'm a survivor. She never been with a boss, so I'm gonna guide her. Slide in that lacy, got the skirts on fire. Made the wrong move, I got hit hard for high.
Back to the discussion. The main thing you want to do is just invest in the market. Trade secondary, invest primary. That's what I usually do. I invest first and then I trade second. So I'm gonna show you a couple plays that I did today. And to make sure that you actually understand the screen, I actually recorded it on my phone as well while I traded. So let's get into it. Some more videos coming soon, more vlogs on the way, more music on the way. We are never giving up, man. We up. Juice. Oh! Like and subscribe. You know, that's all I can really say. Please like and subscribe if you like this type of content. If you don't, then just go to the next video. 4 minutes until the market closes. After hours, we did catch that reversal a couple times today in Apple, and then we did some low floats. Chart looking good, pretty good. Check the scanners. I'm gonna go ahead and get the after hour scanner up. See, that one has like 19 million shares with 57 million volume. Bruh. I don't know if the ATR is gonna be pretty good on that. But the percent change is 38.39, so I think it'll go back up to like 50% change. So that's like a 12 point gain if it works out correctly, efficiently. You did what I'm saying? So we did catch that reversal. We just got back in. We're gonna go ahead and get some extra bread for the last couple minutes of the power hour. We've been trading all day. Everything's been gravy. I'm gonna show y'all how to trade stocks this year. Y'all ready? I'm gonna show you the game for free. I'm not even gonna charge you. The only thing that I want y'all to know at the end of this video is that you can go in the stock market and invest, or you can get in the stock market and play with dividends. This right here changed my life. The ups and downs made me a better person because this is patient. You have to have patience when it comes to the market because you have to follow the market. The market not going to follow you. If you want the market to follow you, it's not going to be good. And that goes for investing. That goes for day trading. That goes for swing trading. That goes for intraday trading. So I do all of those. But my main thing that I like to do is invest in blue chip stocks. I like to invest in like Apple, Microsoft, tech stocks, blue chip stocks like AT&T, Verizon, you know, just your household names. Those are the ones you want to do DCA. So DCA is dollar cost averaging. No matter what the price is per week, you're going to buy some shares, you know. If you can buy some shares, if you can buy a share a week or whatever you can afford to put in the market and just let it sit, then that would be a great idea. My opinion, that's what I do. I like to do dollar cost averaging in some portfolios, and then on my other ones, I like to actually trade. So this shows like my scanners, and most of these scanners are for low floats. So low floats are stocks that's been beaten up for the years. You know, they've been beaten all the way down, and you just catch that big old reversal, and that thing go right back down. You feel me? But you gotta understand the candlestick patterns. You gotta understand the charts. You did what I'm saying. It didn't happen overnight for me. Like, I'm like 10 years in this. Ups and downs and struggles, bro. Long nights, early mornings, reading books, connecting with people, you know, because it's not get rich quick. The market is not get rich quick. Even if you trade, you're not going in the market to try to get rich. You're going in the market to compound your gains. And that's part of the process. It's to compound your gains, because you'll see the results over time if you're patient. If you're not patient, the market is not for you. And that's what happened to me in the beginning. I was impatient. I was looking at other people's success, close people to me. But I had to put my pride to the side, open my books up. And my main thing that I did for the past 10 years is study the charts. You cannot defeat screen time. You cannot defeat screen time. Everybody think they have a plan. Everybody think they have some type of techniques. Things work in the market until the market changes on you. You have to adjust to the market. The market is not adjusting to you. You're adjusting to the market, my guy. And that's what I do. I may do that daily, weekly, monthly, every 6 months, you know, quarterly. The market changes. The sectors change. Money rotate out of tech and may go into blue chips, because the economy not doing good. You feel what I'm saying? So you got to always keep up with the news. You got to always watch the screen. Now, am I sitting here all day watching the screen? Hell no. But there was a time where I was just watching, you know, I was watching the screen. I was watching the candlestick patterns. I was watching the formations and seeing what they could do. And once I had my own edge and my own strategy where I could have maybe like, you know, a handful of strategies, that's when you start to understand the game, and that light bulb comes on top of your head and you like, yeah, okay, here we go. And it pays off in the end. As long as you stay consistent and focused and dedicated and not thinking you're going to get rich, then it's for you. It's for you. If you're impatient, it's not for you. The trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. Any stock ticker on the market, find a trend and get in it. You following the candlestick patterns. You dig? You following the candlestick patterns. They not following you. So what you doing, like me, myself, what I'm doing is I'm just jumping in a wave at the right time. And I'm getting out at the right time. Am I perfect? No. No one's perfect. But if you stick to a strategy, then you will have less losses, more gains. You dig? Less losses, more gains. You feel what I'm saying? And that's what it's about. It's about having more gains, less losses, compounding your gains. For example, I may do trading on low float stocks. Low float stocks are basically penny stocks that has maybe under 50 million shares. And the shorts that's pressing the price down They finally sell their shares and the price goes up. So I jump in that wave and then I get out at the top. And that profit that I made, I invest into the ETFs. I invested into Apple, Microsoft, Google. I put my profits into my actual main investing portfolio. You know, that investing account you do not touch. You don't touch the investing account. Only thing you're doing is dollar cost averaging on the account. We did catch that reversal on Apple. That was pretty neat. That was a good one. Oh, my dude's calling. That was a clean reversal right here. That was a nice one. We caught that one again. Power hour, baby. We in here. We in here for the new year, baby. We in here for the new year, baby. We in here for the new year. And guess what I'm coming to do? I'm going to show you how to trade stocks. I'm going to show you how to invest. I'm going to show you how to invest in blue chips. I'm going to show you how to trade pennies. I'm going to show you how to trade low floats. I'm going to show you how to trade all my scanners right here. I'm going to show everyone how to trade, man, because I think the financial world is the most important world in my opinion, because without financials, we can't really get anywhere in the world due to the fact that money revolves. You know, money is a tool, so you want to keep that tool. So let's say, bam, stock market is my hammer. The scanners is my nail. My portfolio is my house. So guess what? If my scanner is not working, I can't nail it in. You feel me? I can't nail it in. But if all three working perfectly, you good. Yo, this your boy Sinatra. Today's January 14th. You feel me? We in the man cave right now. I traded some stocks today. Let's get into it. We made some bread today. You feel me? Made some bread. Hope you made some bread. If not, then tomorrow is a fresh day where we can all make bread together. I'm gonna start doing these type of videos, you know what I mean? I'm gonna start trading stocks live on stream and also showing people the ropes on how to trade. Trading is not difficult, but at the same time, you have to put in a lot of time. You have to be dedicated and motivated.
IVP first one
Definitely
in
not
hand.
get rich
Caught
quick
this one
scheme.
at 2 cents.
Definitely not
Now we
get
about to
rich
watch
quick
this
at
thing
all.
go all
You
the
feel me?
way
It's a
up to
long-term
10
game,
cents.
like everything.
And
You
once
gotta
it hit
build
10
your brick
cents, we
by
gonna
brick.
cash out,
You feel me?
collect
Until you
profit,
get
and
that
go to the
foundation
next
built
one.
up.
So watch this thing hit 6 cents. You see that volume. You see that dip with the 3 red candles right there. And you see that rip. And you're going to continue to see that same formation until we hit 10 cents. So that's what you're looking for. You're looking for the rip, the dip, the rip, the dip, the rip, the dip simultaneously. Watch that volume. Watch that RSI. You want to watch everything. You don't want nothing missing. I don't. So we about to get at 8 cents right here. So check out 8 cents. So we 2 cents away from our profit target. And once they hit 10 cents, we getting the hell on through. Because we ain't got time to watch this thing go all the way back down to like 4 or 5 cents. Because I tell you, tomorrow it's going to happen. It's going to go back down to like 5, 6 cents. It's too much momentum going on today. So we at 9 cents right now, baby. We getting there. You know, this where you would start kind of scaling out of your position until you get to that 10 cent. Then once you get to that 10 cent, you like, okay, it's time to bounce. It's time to bounce. We about to sell all positions because it's time to bounce on IVP. 2 cent to 10 cent, baby. Yeah. Anything over 10 cent, we scaling out. Scale out of your position till she say 0. And then it's time to hit the dough. We out of here. All right, up next we have JTAI. We caught this one at 40 cents. We're looking for a 13-cent gain. You did what I'm saying? So when she started hitting 52, 53 cents, we get on through. It's time to scale out. It's time to scale out. They buying, we selling. They buying, we selling. They buying, we selling. Let's go ahead and collect that profit, baby. You see that last candlestick pattern? It's looking tricky. Oh, gotta go. Collect. Now, this stock right here is my favorite stock of all times before Mickey D's. We have Apple, and if you trade Apple and understand the chart, it will give you what you need. So we're going to watch this reversal from 257 go up to 260, and we're going to start scaling out in the high 259s and the lows 260s. Now, watch this. You want to play options. You want to buy some shares. You want to do DCAs on this. Apple is a blue chip stock. This is one of my favorite stocks. I know if I take an L, I can go back on Apple and get it back the same. You feel what I'm saying? Because Apple's not going nowhere. This ain't no penny stock, bitch. This a motherfucking giant right here. So look at this. We at 259 right now. You gonna look at 260? I'm scaling out at 260. I don't know about you, partner, but I know my game plan. You better watch some candlestick patterns. What I tell you, dip, rip, dip, rip, dip, rip. Look at them three little soldiers right there, candlestick pattern. She looking real good. You know it's about to hit 260. It's time to go. Time to pack up the bags. Start scaling out. Once that thing say 260, we scaling out. Let's scale out. Let's scale out. We scaling out. We scaling out. They buying, we selling. They buying, we selling. The dumb is buying, the smart is selling. You buy low, you sell high into the sky. And that's what we doing with this option play right here with Apple. Guaranteed if you understand the chart. If you don't understand the chart, then it's sad. Yeah. Let's go. She know that I got the juice. I got juice. I keep the answers, no excuse. I got juice. She know I rep it for the group. We keep the medicine like we got the flu. Ooh. She know that I got the juice. I keep the answers, no excuse. She know I rep it for the group. We keep the medicine like we got the flu.